Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily jump throw inside of CSGO. And to start with, you just want to click escape and head into your settings. You're going to go in this game tab here and make sure this is on game also. And you just want to look for this, enable developer console. Now if you're new to the game, this will automatically be set to no. So what you want to do if it is just select yes and you can head back in your game. Now from here, we can just click a button to open up the console. And here's where we can start doing jump throws. Now the key to jump throws is actually binding keys to it. Input this command. After bind, you want to put in whatever letter or whatever you want to bind this command to. So for this one, I'm just going to use N. And feel free to stop the video if you just need to take note of this command. And once you're ready, click enter. The way to do it is buy your grenades and hold them in your hand. And then you want to line up whatever you're going to throw. And you want to hold down your left click to have it ready to throw. When it's lined up and you're ready to throw, you just want to click the button which you just binded. In my case, it's N. As you can see, it jumps and throws at the same time, and it will get perfect distance on that, and it will basically land perfectly every single time. So there's also a command which we can use to bind run throws, as sometimes you may need a bit more distance and you may need to run through it. So we just want to put in this command. Feel free to stop the video once again if you need to save it. And in key, I'm just going to use N again, so I just unbinded it. So what we can do now is exact same thing. You want to hold down your thing when you're ready, and when it's all lined up, you just want to go ahead and click your bind button. And as you can see, obviously that was only a grenade, but it ran and it threw it at the perfect point to get a bit more distance on that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.